there buddy, my name is John, and in this video I will teach you how to edit your background like a pro. Without further ado, let's go! As to what I conveyed earlier, I'm gonna transform this blue background right here into this beautiful artistry, DIY, brick, whatever you call it, background. Are you dying to know how I created this? That I'm dying because of excitement that I feel right now, because I'm so excited to convey, to guide, and to teach you guys how I created this. So let's proceed to my screen recording, and I hope you learn something. Hey there buddy, welcome to my screen. Before I will begin, I want you to remember rules in editing. First one is select an application, second is select background, third one is select a video, and last but not least, chroma key. These are the four main rules in editing a professional, polished, and great looking background without it looking sloppy and not well made. Our first step is select application. Now there's a lot of application that uses chroma key, and right now I am using the PowerDirector Bundle. It's this PowerDirector Bundle. It's easy to use and it is great because it don't have watermark. The watermark has been removed and it's much easy for me to move around and experiment. If you want to know how I installed this prestigious application, then I will create a tutorial for that at the future. So since we chose application, next thing to do is we have to rename the project first. Okay, I renamed it Toturial and I chose 16/9 and press OK. This will pop up when you press OK. It will introduce you to the second step, which is choose background. Now in choosing background, it depends on the screen that you are using. And for me, I use blue screen, so my background will be cold color so that the blue will blend in to the cold color, because blue itself is cold color. It's not so bright and it's a little darkish, and that's the advantage of using blue screen. But if you want to have a bright background, you can use green screen because it will make it more polished and the blue won't show up. Now my background is this. I chose a lot of varieties of images, but I usually use only this right here. I use this all the time because it also had blue in it, and I love the LED theme of this image. And if you are looking for more background, then you can search it on Google because there's a lot of images that you can find. Now this is our second step. Just press this plus button and then prolong it. You just have to prolong it so that it will match with the video. And next thing we have to do is to crop it. Make sure to make it right. Make sure to make it right so that it won't look uneven. We don't want that to happen. Okay, we're done. We chose background. Next thing to do is we have to press this. Next thing to do is we have to press this layer button right here, that kind of button. That's a, wait, layer button. Okay, I'm gonna press that right now. Wait, this is, and you can press the video that will pop up to that, then press video, and then since I edited my video, the blue screen videos that I have first, so I don't have problem editing it. Make sure to edit your video first before adding the background. You have to edit it first. Okay, so press that plus button right there, and then make sure that the length of the background matches the length of the video so that it won't look unfinished. Warning, there's a lot of cocks, hens, roosters, whatever you call it. They are the monsters that really pissed me off a lot because they are very noisy, and yet I lived in an environment where they are almost everywhere, so I can't beat them. Okay, so that's the story of my life. Sorry. Okay, next press this thing, and then next thing to do, we just have to make it look like this so that the background will show. Next thing to do is our last step, which is the chroma key. Press your video and then press this pencil button, pencil icon right there, and press this chroma key, and then it will take you to this. Press this sword, pencil, this color picker, and then choose the color that you want to eliminate. And in this case, I'm eliminating blue screen, so I'll just have to press blue, and then make sure to balance this two right here. Make sure to balance this. And in using this application for almost forever, I learned that color range must be greater than the noise. I don't know if I pronounced it precisely, but it should be, and the color range should be greater than the noise, because it just looks so not well edited. I'll just show you what I mean. You can see it now, but when the video will start, this is literally so pissing me off every time. Okay, now since we're done chroma keying, it's time for the reveal. But before the reveal, I just want you to turn off this fade in and fade out and press OK. Now take a look at that. That's just so sick. Now I'm gonna play this without music because it's really awkward to listen to my voice while I'm filming. So here it is. It's really great because it gave you, for a beginner YouTuber like me who don't own a studio, this is the best alternative to use, and I'm enjoying using it. I use it for all my video. Make sure to check some of my videos to know the proof that this video editing software is really great, and I'm enjoying a lot when I'm editing. And that's this video is all about. Now let's end this video, and goodbye guys. Thanks for watching.
Alright fellas, that's it. That's the whole video itself. If it is very helpful to you, make sure to help me grow my channel, and let's just make this channel grow. And advanced thank you to you guys. Thank you so much. See you on the next vlog and have a great day ahead and God bless.